So, natin, sariling kabit. We'll see. 1. Kinakabahan ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kakatakin ko lang. Yan na! Nakakagulat na yung anticipation. Pero anyway, so that's basically how easy it is to to install para tayong matrix to install the Otay CGM. Now, what you have to do is lagyan, this is just a support. Okay, itong parang sticker para wag siyang gumalaw. But nakikita ko yung iba hindi na siya sinusuot. But the most important thing dito is that maikabit mo ng sarili mo. And this is the first time that I did it. Okay? So, hindi siya masakit para sa taong sensitive sa mga ganyan. At nanununtok kapag ka nasasaktan. So, hindi siya masakit. That being said, wala akong naramdaman. Yeah. That being said, try it. And then I'll teach you how to use it very, very, very soon. Now, if prefer mong mag-prick-prick sa daliri, mas masakit yun. Pero kung masukista ka, edi sige, wala namang problema. So, welcome to the glucose-controlled lifestyle.